Hi everyone, I'm Jason Hawkins from K&D Digital Performance and welcome to 2023. With a new year brings a new brand. We've refreshed and we're now K&D Digital Performance. A new logo, new website and a new approach. We're really helping you outperform your competitors in all aspects of your digital, not just marketing, but technical aspects, your hosting, your website. Just getting your message out there online is our priority for you. So today I thought I'd talk about the 5 top trends of 2023. 4 of them are evolving trends that have been around for a while and are just really maturing. But the first one that's been on the topic of every business owner that I talked to recently is ChatGPT. It's an incredible new technology. If you haven't tried it, you need to test it out. It generates conversational, human-style conversation in text that is quite realistic, and it's scarily realistic. You need to just test it in your business to see how you can use it. For example, real estate agents are using it to generate the copy to promote their properties. SEO companies such as ours are experimenting with it to write copy for pages to use to benefit for Google search. There's a whole range of different options for this awesome technology. It's going to revolutionize elements of business. So to outperform your competitors, you need to be thinking about how you can use it within your business to make your business more efficient. A word of warning, do not trust it. It's not always right, and there's going to be plenty of that in the media in the coming months as we move through the year. So the next trend is more of an evolution around mobile usage. So a lot of our clients are really focused on the design of their mobile presence, creating that user experience that really is mobile first. You need to be able to interact with your prospects and customers very smoothly in that mobile environment. What does that mean? Efficient data collection, minimizing user interactions. So only collect the data that you need to collect. A great example of that, if you want to see a new version of the EasyLend website, you can see examples of how we use large buttons for your thumb to just click through the options rather than, drop downs, scroll through, select, all of those sort of things. We try to really smooth out that user profile and get those conversions rolling. Google also rewards those businesses that have a really good mobile experience. So you cannot ignore it if you want to really cut above the rest. The next trend that we're seeing is not really a trend, it's like a must do for small business and large business alike. And that's convert your analytics and goal tracking, conversion tracking within Google. Just to know how you are performing in digital, you need to be moving to GA4. What does that mean? It's a bit of new code activation on your website and across different platforms to be able to track conversions and ad performance and SEO performance, etc., and usability on your site. It's a big change. Not for the faint-hearted to do it on your own. We've inherited a bunch of accounts from different businesses that they've thought they've set up their GA4 properly, but it's nowhere near it. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Sarah in our office has done now hundreds of these sites, and she's a real whiz at it. So just reach out for us to give you a hand to make sure that that is all correct for you. The next is an evolution around video usage within your small business. A great example of that for us is our client Plenty Training, who have really embraced video within their site with some very highly curated and produced video testimonials of their students and some promotional shortcut videos that they use across different platforms. Really well done and executed, and is a great example of what you should be thinking about with video. So not just for social media, but educational material. Just getting your message out there is now in demand from a video perspective. Instagram stories, Facebook, across all platforms, you should be considering the video usage and get in front of the camera more often. Hence why I'm back. So our last but not least is speed. Websites need to run fast. You need to be able to convert your users and your visitors into customers, active customers. To do that, they need to have a nice, smooth experience in your online environment, and that means pages loading fast, navigating quickly between content, viewing products quickly, photos loading, product images loading fast. All of that is around a high-speed functioning website. It can be very difficult to achieve in some instances, but it's worth investing the time and the effort to do that. So you will need technical support to enable and to really work on that. And we have quite a lot of experience in that space. It's tricky. It's not for, it can't work on some sites, are really hard to actually fine tune, but it's worth looking at. Look at your numbers and see what improvements can be made there to really boost your performance. So have a great 2023. We will see you throughout the year, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need to work on your digital strategy to outperform your competitors.